Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to explain about how to update the HBO Max app on Samsung TV. You can update the HBO Max app on Samsung TV from your TV's interface itself without needing access to any other devices. To update the HBO Max app, head over the Smart Hub on your Samsung TV. I will explain step by step guide. Please watch my video. Press the home button or menu button on your TV's remote control. Navigate to the Apps tab at the bottom and press the enter button on your remote. Inside the app screen, select the settings icon by moving the cursor to the chow wheel icon at the top right corner. Inside the settings screen, go to the updates tab on the screen, locate the HBO Max app and select update. The HBO Max app your TV will be updated. It's a latest version provided there is an update available for the app. To make sure that the app remains updated every time you access it, you can enable auto update on the app. To do that, go to the settings screen of your apps by heading over the Samsung Smart Hub app settings and then select auto update option to toggle it on. Still can't update the HBO Max app on Samsung TV? Fixes to try. If for some reason you can't update the HBO Max app on your Samsung TV, then you can take a look at the following solutions on this video. Restart your Samsung TV first. The first thing you will do when you have problems with any electronical and electronic devices is to turn it off and then turn it on again. Some smart TVs like smartphones can also be made to functions like their intent after quick restart. Second one is update your Samsung TV firmware. You can start checking for new updates for the firmware on your Samsung TV by pressing the menu button or home button on your Samsung TV remote. This should show the Smart Hub section on your TV screen. On this screen, navigate to the settings option and select it. When settings dialog appears, select the support tab on the left sidebar, then choose software update on the right hand side of the screen. When you select software update, you will be shown two options. You will have to select the update now option to check for the latest firmware version for your Samsung TV and update it. Third one is delete the HBO Max app and reinstall it. If the HBO Max app fails to update is the latest version even after restarting your TV and updating the TV firmware, then the last step of you can perform is completely remove the app from your TV library and reinstall it again. To remove the HBO Max app of your Samsung TV, open the Smart Hub by pressing the home key or menu key on your TV remote. Now using the navigation keys to the remove, select the app section from the Smart Hub. Inside the app screen, select the settings icon from the top right corner. You will now be able to see the HBO Max app on the screen. Press the down button or tools button on your remote and then select the delete option. Your TV will now prompt you whether you want to be remove the app. Select the delete option to confirm the process. After the app has been removed from your TV, you will install it again by going the apps tab on the Smart Hub. Inside the app screen, select the search icon from the top right corner. Enter the HBO Max in the search field. Press the enter key and locate the app from the search results. After you have found the HBO Max, select it and choose install option on the next screen of your TV to install it. Your TV will now be running the latest version of the HBO Max app.